Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? About Silence coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you do it, John Cross?
Banger! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, that one your name, quick and fast. Don't be last. You may say, yeah man, happy Thursday to everybody. Yeah, so me get two little videos for the internet, you know what I mean? Jada speaks her mind. I wonder who she a talk to. How she a chat about. Wonder if she see her Stark Ashley or something. You know what I mean? She a talk a bag of things too. But anyway, next thing too, Angela speak her mind to pan a matter as a single mother. With she and the king of dancers, zaga. You say it, and she accost the bloggers them and one bag of thing. Anyway, make you get right tonight now. No more itching.
Anyway, you see me walk it, I see my breast them stiff. Confidence do it, baby girl. Confidence do it. I'm a sweet girl. I'm not ask. Right. I'm not asking nobody. Yeah. Not even my mother will make me ask if me nice. Not even the Lord will create me for ask if me nice. Because him know that. Yeah, it's a trick question. Huh? It's a trick question. What you mean? Come on, in the next 5 years, my breast I'm going to touch my navel and that not going to work. I'm going to do them. Anything I like by yourself, go do it. Fuck. Till if you fuck go lose weight like I did. So the confidence go work on that. Fuck you mean? I'm not the one to drag. The fuck? Not ask if everything get fucked when Twinkle reach. I mean she and she is me, right there. Fuck. But take off mask if you're not ugly. What you do? Them look like Papa Show. I don't give a fuck. Pretty bad, with or without makeup. Post them and have makeup. Post without makeup and lashes all the time. Now all of a sudden, uno forget. Run back, go look on it. Down to last night and yesterday. Run back, go look on it. Good skin clear up. Sometimes all you need to do is clear up your skin and lose weight. And see face there. What you mean? What you mean? Sure. Think I'm very pretty. I wanna know that I'm not vex. Don't like that, go eat. Woo. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna take the East Side Queen out of my bio because everybody I kill themselves over the title. I love them. I have to show them say I don't need it in my bio because I am that, the East Side fucking Queen. I don't need it in my bio. The world know that. Yeah, I'm not to prove to nobody, but yeah, I'm gonna take it out of my bio. So yeah, I'm showing how title go. Yeah, showing say I'm showing how it go. I need it in my bio. The world know that. Them say that. But all of a sudden, everybody have it in them bio. Everybody run it down. Everybody this and that. Remember, no one want to do. No one war feet, let's war feet. No one clash feet, let's clash feet. But no come drag me over the fucking internet. Matter of fact, fuck the clashing. Come on, not get nobody in the highlight. Because of that, they really and truly want. Yeah, okay. Because of that, them really and truly want. But me beat a girl. For real. It's a good 2 months, I'm not fight nobody. It's a good 2 months, I'm not fight nobody.
Yo, first of all, No,
Body have a
I don't watch
cycle.
no
Body
World
want a
Star
cycle
videos.
now.
It's still now. World Star is starting to connect to YouTube though.
Okay, but
Still paid Mew.
but they still got fake views.
Well,
I'm
know
telling you that because
facts.
I've definitely used World Star before.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm not clashing.
Okay, he just dropped YSN. I was telling
What
you
the fuck me look like a somebody from East Side?
YouTube. Look,
That's walk.
YouTube.
So you want to take her?
They booming,
But
bro.
take it out of my boy, I got dead feet. The fuck? Not forgive myself it. The world know it's evidence. Fuck. Body over on them up, but nobody no want to come fight so I can get the step in them skull. Hate it. I really hate it. Internet make everybody feel like them bad and a that. The that me not like with the internet, man. Too much power over the phone, man. Too much power over the phone. Every time I say pull up, nobody want to pull up, everybody gonna hide. So, no violence. Everything I call violence. Violence and self-defense. Two different things, my love.
Steve might have ended it all last night.
Man, what?
Done though. That man said, no, you know what I need to hit? Tommy and
But yeah, that was off topic. That was off topic because somebody asked me why am I take the East Side Queen out of my bio just now. Like I don't need it in my fucking bio. Fucking
I would have met you a while ago. You know, say me a girl, me not talk a lot to them, but when I come talking to them, I got to talk the things them. And I know that don't. Me just get to understand say my name they all over social media and every blood clot blogger have my name. I say, me I try to dip up in the things and me I try to get involved in the things that I don't know about. Me come out and me talk my truth about me and my single mother blood clot self. So I never dip talk it. Me been a talk my truth. But my single mother self, me been a talk my truth weeks now. I put out my video and I tweet my video now I say, oh me I try to get involved in a people thing and you know look good and this other moving a blood clot and go. All the bloggers and everybody take me out on the blood clot, dirty nasty mouth. Me back broad the blood clot. I try to love talk and lift up my mouth, me back very broad. And I talk my truth as a single mother. I not gonna use it in another story. I say, oh God, if man and the woman just left, I know she'll come with pitney business. Look how long me I deal with that. When I take my name out on a nasty blood clot mouth. Look how long me I deal with that talk my truth. So I never know to me I never know my mouth lack of me can't talk my life and my truth as a mother when me a blood clot go through. Oh me get dragged in between that something here. Me know I'm gonna try find a way for drag me into that something here, which me not mind and me not give a fuck. But don't twist my story. Don't twist up my thing and try to drag me into the middle. Like I'm not response to nobody in them relationship or them relation boat or what the blood clot was happening because when me I go through my problem and my situation, me go through that by myself. You understand? So me I talk my truth. I will never say, oh me I try to get involved. I don't look good. Oh the blood clot look good. Me have to talk my truth. I mean stand up as a mother. As a blood clot single mother too. I no can't me never talk nothing. Me never talk nothing. I must drive. I must talk. Suppose me never talk. I'm not gonna do that. Must talk overall. I defend women we are single mothers. I don't want to come drop down my throat. Oh no one drop down my throat because me a weak fence. Me a weak fence. All me going to do one thing, take me name out on the dirty nasty mouth. I'm gonna respond to people and them problem.
Well, y'all heard it. Angel says uno must take uno thing lower, take out our name out on the dirty mouth to our bloggers and everybody will drag her, cause she say a long time she been talking about being a single mother and she and Beanie back and forth, whatever been happening. Yeah, you've heard it from Angel, the first lady. So yeah, I don't really know exactly in depth what she got through, but I guess that's something to do with child support, single mother. She back and forth with Beenieman, you know what I mean, the king of dancehall and thing, you know. So yeah, rough a road. The Angel head chip. She couldn't take no more. Alright peeps, that one that the name quick and fast and thing. Have to keep the pot bubbling and thing. Big up on yourself. I really hope you enjoy it, you know. Let me know your thoughts man where Jada talk about. You know what I mean? If you don't want any more in-depth thing, you know what I mean? Keep me in the loop and let me know, you know what I mean? Angel, let me know about Angel's situation too. You know what I mean? I really hope you enjoy the video there. Also peeps, down there in the description below, I have a link, I want to click it. I drop my merch. Go check out my merch then. Support your boy. You know what I mean? I truly appreciate it. You know what I mean? So for people them who really rock with me, click the link down below. Check out the merch them. And let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. You know what I mean? So big up on yourself. Me there. Happy Thursday again. And just go and join with your boy. Ashoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the